Welcome to our tutorial about import dimensions. As you can see, we have a slot and a small hole at the end of this part. Let's zoom to fit. Now let's select New Drawing, make drawing from part assembly. Landscape B is just fine for our purposes. As in our previous tutorial, we're going to drag the top view from the view palette into the graphic area. Click OK. Let's zoom in. First, we'll insert a detail view, activate the detail view tool. The circular tool appears, and here is our detail view. Now let's change the scale, 1:1, and let's reposition our detail view a little bit. OK. OK, let's expand our tree and then expand part B07. Let's Shift select Extrude 2 and Extrude 3. Go to the Annotation tab. Activate the Model Items function. At this point, we're only interested in the Import Dimensions options. Let's click OK. Now let's rearrange a little bit. We'll move the Detail View text out of the way. Reposition this dimension somewhere up here. Okay, that looks a little bit tidier. A little bit easier to read. Click OK. Now let's create another detail view from this detail view, and that'll let us better see this small hole here. We're going to activate the Detail View tool. And let's make our detail about this big. We'll drop it over to the right a little bit. I want to adjust the scale a little. Actually, 2:1 is just fine. Now I want to copy the dimensions from the Detail View A. Let's click Control and drop it right here. If you want to move the dimension instead of copying it, you would use the Shift key. And this concludes our tutorial about importing dimensions.